Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Western Ghats in Goa missed the status of World Heritage Site due to non-action by concerned authorities. Goa government acting at the behest of corporate lobbies, says activists. Siddhanath Buyao and Lorna denied US visa. Consulate doubts that they won't depart from USA. They were supposed to perform at North American Goan Convention. Monsoon in Goa touches half century in inches. 5 inches of rainfall in 24 hours. Normal life paralyzed. Goa Cricket Association Secretary Prasad Fatarpekar dismisses fake birth certificate allegation. GCA official claim players have passed medical tests. And Ramesh Tavadkar expresses concern over lack of sports culture. Sports Minister plans to give new direction to physical education. And now the news in detail. Western Ghat activists suspect a deliberate attempt from Goa government to sabotage the process of representing Ghat in Goa at the UNESCO. Wasted economic interest coupled with lethargic attitude of government has yet again resulted in Western Ghats in Goa missing the status of World Heritage Site. Petitions were filed to awaken the authorities, but they showed government's zero willingness to get the status. Why? Pratik Parab reports.
Sources inform that ever since the Wildlife Institute of India in Dehradun submitted its report on Western Ghats in 2010, the Goa government has been just sitting on the report and doing nothing to take the work ahead. There are reports of no cooperation from the bureaucracy too. Activists who have worked to save Western Ghats say it is the Goa government's game to protect interest of certain corporate lobby wanting to establish business in the Ghats.
I can only speculate. I cannot give any definitive answer why this has not happened. But one can speculate. The reason may be the same why tigers seem to be disappearing from Goa. Obviously, there may be some special, very powerful interests which are either exaggerating something or, as I said, underestimating or making tigers disappear from Goa.
मुख्य म्हणजे कितें आसा गोंय सरकार जे असले आणि तेन्नाचे जे मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामत असले आणि त्यांच्या हाती काम करपी डॉक्टर शशिकुमार नावाचे अधिकाऱ्यांच्या गैरकारभाराक लागून चुकलेली आसा. 15 सप्टेंबर 2011 ह्या दिसा बंगळुरात जी बैठक झाली भारत सरकारची वन आणि पर्यावरण मंत्रालयाची आयोजित केली. एकूय अधिकारी ह्या संदर्भात बैठकीक वचोंक ना. आता हे फाटल्यान रावपाचे एकूच कारण आसा की तर मुख्य जो हेतू आसा तो म्हणजे खाणी जो उद्योग आसा त्याचे समर्थन करपाचे आणि गोंय सरकार मागे ते पयलींचे सरकार असो किंवा आतांचे सरकार असो ह्या सरकारान जर केवळ खाणवाल्यांचे जर हितसंबंध पळोवपाच्या नदरेंतल्यान जर काम केले जाल्यार तेतूंतल्यान गोंयचं जे भवितव्य आसा त्या भवितव्याक खंय तरी नुकसान जातली.
The map here shows an improportionately big legend which shows mining activity in Western Ghat region. It's shocking to see such a big area let for mining activities in the region. 39 sites from 7 states, which total of around 8,000 square kilometers of Western Ghats, were enlisted in the World Heritage Sites classification of the UNESCO. Getting a heritage site status would have been a boon to the protection of flora and fauna of Goa region of Western Ghats too.
The news report today comes as a surprise. Yeah, I think the reason that Goa has not been included so far is just a lack of interest from the government. We need to do it fast.
Okay.
Yeah, because though 2013 is the cutoff, we need to within a couple of months submit our application for inclusion.
In spite of all this hallaballi, CM feels that it is not his government's lookout.
It is regarding World Heritage aspect. World Heritage aspectaचो म्हजो कितें संबंद आहा तातूंत? कित्याक वचूंक जाय? वर्ल्ड हातून हांव हें ना मेंबर ना. बेजिकली तो विशय आमचो हातलो न्हय, स्कोपांतलो न्हय. तो युनायटेड नेशन्सचो विशय न्हय.
It has been 5 to 6 years now since Goa government has received a report on Western Ghats. Sadly, nothing actually happened regarding this report. With video journalist Omkar Farari and reporter Lokik Shilkar, Pratik Vasudev Parab for Prudent Media.
US Consulate in Mumbai denied visa to the Goan Nightingale Lorna and singer and music composer Siddhanath Buyao to perform in USA. Consulate reasoned that applicants could not satisfy interviewing officer that they will deport from USA. The group was supposed to perform at the 11th North American Goan Convention.
US Consulate in Mumbai denied visa to the Goan Nightingale, Lorna and singer and music composer Siddhanath Buyao to perform in USA. A group led by Buyao was supposed to perform at the 11th North American Goan Convention from 6 to 8 July. The reason given by the consulate authorities is following. The applicants could not satisfy the interviewing officer that they will depart the United States at the end of their temporary stay, and they could not demonstrate strong social, economic or familial ties outside the United States. Buyao and Lorna have performed in past at international venues like Canada, UK, France, Holland and Middle East, apart from various performances in India. This was the first time a live performance of Goan artist under the banner of Buyao Theatres, Goa, was invited to perform at the convention. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Monsoon in Goa has just touched half-century mark in inches. State has recorded almost 5 inches of rainfall in past 24 hours, taking the seasonal total to almost 50 by Tuesday evening. Many parts in state witnessed gusty winds, heavy downpour, uprooting of trees and power network breakdowns in past 72 hours. In Madgaon, 3 children have been injured due to a tree fall. Tree fall also damaged car in Bardes Taluka. Flooding in cities, potholes and choked drains has become a common scene. Watch this report.
रातीकडे हो माड इम्पॉर्ट 4 घरां डॅमेज जाले. ताजे भायर 3 भुरग्यांक धाकटी भुरग्यांक मार लागला. तांकां ऑलरेडी हॉस्पिटल ॲडमिट केल्ले. तकले बी मार लागला. न्हिदलो आसतना ते सगळी पत्री बी तेंचेर पडून इंजर्ड जाल्ले आहा आनी 4 घरांक बरोबर डॅमेज जाला.
Pedne has recorded a high seasonal rain of 64 inches. Surprisingly, Sangay is at the lowest with just 39 inches of seasonal total. Panji rain in past 24 hours, 5.60 inches. Seasonal total 54.1 inches. Madgaon 4.14 inches. Seasonal total 40.1 inch. Kankon 3.15 inches. Seasonal total 44.07 inches. Sangay 5.99 inches. Seasonal total 39.69 inches. Ponda 5.14 inches. Seasonal total 40.61 inches. Murgaon 3.58 inches. Seasonal total 50.20 inches. Mapsa 5.66 inches. Seasonal total 50.40 inches. Pedne 5.18 inches. Seasonal total 64.10 inches. Valpai 5.32 inches. Seasonal total 43.70 inches. Daboli 3.66 inches. Seasonal total 50.31 inches. Kepe 5 inches. And seasonal total 53.72 inches. Have a look. With no drains around in Panji, the water gets clogged in buildings. People are distressed with the potholes everywhere on the road. Fishermen along the coast of South Maharashtra to Goa coast have been advised not to venture out to sea for next 24 hours.
Highest rainfall is at Perne, that is 162 centimeter. This is more than Panjim also. Actually good rainfall. Mapsa is 128, that is also 50% is crossed if we see. Almost more than 50% rainfall has been crossed.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.